Hi friends, my name is Swati and I'm working in BT. So it's time to celebrate your accomplishment for this year. Right, you did it. Are you excited? A bit nervous? It's feeling right? No worries, it's common and this happens to everyone. You know what? I started my first job during the graduation and learned a lot of things throughout my career journey. And just want to share a few advices that I follow in my life. The first one is belief. Believe in yourself. Yes, this word itself is very important and I can assure you no one can stop you if you believe in yourself. So start believing in yourself. Second, help and helping nature. Yes. Don't hold back yourself from helping anyone. And at the same time, if you are looking for help, don't think twice, Don't be shy. Just ask for a help. It's very easy. Never be shy for asking a help from anyone. The third most important advice, before I share, I just want you to have a look at this picture. So, this picture, I love it. This picture says that just do it, nothing is impossible. Yes, nothing is impossible. Even a word impossible says I'm possible. You know what? It's just that life is 10% what you make it and 90% how you take it. So start taking a life, in a more positive way. And sometimes we have to look at life from more than just one angle. This is what it says. So on this good note, I just wish you all a very good luck and all the best for your future. Take care. Bye-bye.